Yo, what's up? This Evan from Reaction Band. I'm no longer with the band no more, but I'm doing some other shit, personal. But right here, this is something about Swag. You know what I'm saying? That was a good nigga, man, good man. But it was fucked up, you know what I'm saying, how he left. You know what I'm saying? All I got now is all memories, but it was good times, plenty of them. You know what I'm saying? Probably like now, he was just getting good with the cowbell, you know what I'm saying? So that really hurt my heart, you know what I'm saying? But right now, I think if he was still alive, I'd probably be still in the band, you know what I'm saying? Because I knew he probably wouldn't let me go like that. But, you know what I'm saying? I miss that nigga to the fullest, man. I wish you could do anything to get him back. But you know how that go. But, as far as the band, you know what I'm saying? Family's family, you know what I'm saying? I still love everybody in the band, you know what I'm saying? I come here, hear what I used to play, you know what I'm saying? It's Java. Off and on, but you know what I'm saying? It's real familiar to my ears, you know what I'm saying? So I feel good about that. And the band's still going, that's what I like to see, you know what I'm saying? So big shout out to my man Swag, man. Miss you, dog, love you, nigga. You know what I'm saying? We went bowling, you know what I'm saying? You put me on your tab even though I don't drink. You still bought me drink, so it was, you know what I'm saying? Much love to that, man. And I'm out, that's it.